Hello there and welcome here. I'm Mary the Share Lady. Welcome to my channel. To the first time viewer, welcome here. To our new subscriber, welcome to the family. To the returning viewer, thank you so much for your time. Yeah, so jumping straight into the video, today has been a very busy day for me. It's a Saturday, and yeah, my Saturdays are usually that way. And at the moment, I'm trying to put clothes here to dry. Yeah, I had loads and loads of laundry to do today, but I'm just finishing up. I didn't have enough spaces down around my house. That's why I've brought the clothes up here in the rooftop. Yeah, so in today's video, I want to clean my living room, just a speed cleaning. Yeah, you can call it more of a maintenance cleaning, nothing much, because today being on a Saturday, tomorrow will be on a Sunday, and on Sundays it's a resting day. So yeah, I have to make sure that the living room is in order for tomorrow. Yeah, so as we continue with today's video, please do consider subscribing so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, because currently I do not have specific days that I upload videos, but yeah, I can promise you that we'll be having a new videos every week. Yeah, so consider subscribing so that you don't miss out, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this one. Yeah, so guys, like I mentioned earlier, today's cleaning, it's going to be a speedy cleaning, more of a maintenance cleaning. And I like to follow a pattern, starting with the top parts and then the lower parts. And the top parts here, I'm starting with the sofa, and I'm going in with the light blue towel on the sofa just to dust it around. I know it's not dusty, but I like to use a bright towel so that in case there's any dust or any dirt, it's going to show on the towel. Yeah, so in a previous video, I had promised to do a living room tour, guys. I don't know, I was not able to do that. And yeah, so this can also serve as a mini tour of my living room and how I ended up arranging things after we moved. And if you can remember, also when we moved, we also didn't have a TV cabinet, and this is one of the cabinets that I was using for the business that I was starting. I know I made a video on that one, but the business didn't go as I had thought to go or I had planned to. So I ended up keeping a cabinet. There are two. There's a black one and another white one. And in the process of trying to test which one would fit in here much better, I ended up settling on a black one. I really didn't even believe myself. Yeah, so this black one fitted the space much better. Yeah, that's the reason we have it here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it in the future, but yeah, for now it works. Honestly, guys, I have a question. I don't know if this thing happens in your homes or your houses where the TV cabinet becomes a station where you just put anything and everything just randomly, and then it files, you organize, and I put things back into their respective places, and then it's back to that thing where we just like put stuff here, it's piled, it's always like a cycle. Tell me in the comments, does it happen to you or it's just us? To dust off the TV, I'm also using the blue towel, a dry one. I don't want it to have water. It's not damp, it's just dry. For the carpet, vacuuming is a must. I have to do this regardless whether I'm doing a speed cleaning or a deep cleaning. Whenever you have kids, vacuuming is a must on a daily.
Waiting for the summer. No.
Yeah, so after vacuuming, this is the dirt that was there that you could not see, and it's one of the advantages of owning a vacuum cleaner. So if you do not have one, just consider getting yourself one, and especially if you have kids, you can see the dirt collected here. It's something that you cannot just see with your eyes.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be.
Onto the floors, I'm going in with a towel. Yeah, I would use a mop, but then with the seat and all, the space is limited, so I find it much better using a towel here. Although from time to time I could use a mop if I wanted, but then I find a towel works better here.
I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
On to the last part that I'm cleaning here, it's the outdoor part. I cannot skip the outdoors, whether I'm deep cleaning or I'm speed cleaning. Yeah, because I consider it to be part of my home. Although this was a speed cleaning, guys, already the change, you can see the change now. The floors are clean. The sofas looking much better. Yeah, a few minutes of cleaning, yeah, and the change is there. Yeah, so nothing much on my walls. I've not been able to work on them in terms of decorating. Allow me to put the end remarks here. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching, and allow me to say that we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. In case you have comment, input, or a question or anything like that, leave it in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.